it goes back down to 0 in the speed indication. Doesn't matter that the gear is in the third position or the third value. Okay, let's get out, go back to the block diagram. So we have done the work for the on and off switch. We have done the work for the speedometer. We need to give functionality to these forward, stop, and reverse indicators. So the best way to do this is to define what happens if we have a true or a false case. So we can use this actual speed value to indicate which direction we are moving in. So if you remember, when we defined the list of the labels here, we have said that the scale goes from -1 to +5. What does this mean? Doesn't matter that the front panel says fifth, fourth, third, second, first, idle, and reverse here in the selection. What you see when I move the pointer up or down are the actual values that are present on the wire going out from this numerical selection. So these are only labels. These are not the values that are moving around on the wire. So the values that are moving around are these ones displayed in the little tip window that appears when we move this around. This actually helps us determine how to solve the forward, stop, and reverse indicators. So we will just use the actual speed value. We can go to the Boolean, to the comparison palette, and we will check if the value is equal to 0, then stop should be activated. If the value is not equal to 0, then stop should not be activated, and this is what this node does. So it checks the incoming value, compares it to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it gives a true